Today, software development has become one of the coolest trend to become. Like lots of you might have started your journey to become a software developer, and during this journey, you start learning how to build websites, how to build Android apps, and all. But many of you, but many of the people don't know that how they can generate revenue from this their skill sets. But like most of the people feel that the only way to earn money as a software developer is through an internship or a full-time job. But guys, this is not true. So guys, today in this video, we will be exactly talking about this. So hey, what's up you guys? This is Ravi and I'm back again with another video. So guys, in today's video, I'll be talking about the 7 real ways through which a software developer can earn money. The first way to earn money as a software developer is through a full-time job or an internship. Guys, this method is a very common method and 95% of the software developers follow this method. But I have some other great methods which many of you can't even imagine. So guys, please watch the video till the end. Now, the second method is by working as a freelancer or on contract basis. So, guys, those who don't know who is freelancer is, I'll tell you. So, guys, the freelancer is a person who works individually. They don't need to work 9 to 5, and they don't need to work under a particular company and all. So, they are freelancers. They take projects from freelancing platforms. There are lots of freelancing platforms like freelancer.com, Upwork, and Fiverr and all. So these guys takes projects from these platforms and they work on an hourly basis, and also they are paid on an hourly basis or per project. So guys, freelancing. So guys, freelancing is very good method to earn money as a software developer. Like lots of people are earning much more than their full-time job. Now, coming to the third method. So, guys, the third method through which a software developers can earn money is by building in their own softwares or products and selling it. So, I'll give you an example. Suppose you built an inventory management system for a shopkeeper near you, and later on you sell it to the other shopkeepers in your city, and later on you sell it to all the shopkeepers or many of the shopkeepers in your country. So, guys, this method is a very nice method of generating a revenue or earning money as a software developer. Now, coming to the fourth method. So, guys, the fourth method through which software developers can earn money is by starting their own YouTube channel. So, guys, this method is trending nowadays. Like most of the software developers are starting this YouTube channel. And guys, this method has become one of the very big source of generating a passive income as a software developer. Now, coming to the fifth method. So, guys, the fifth method is by creating your own online courses. Suppose you have a knowledge of a particular programming language, or you know how to develop websites or Android apps and all. So, guys, you build a course on that particular skill, and later on you can sell it on platforms like Udemy and all, or you can have your own website through which you can sell your course. And this method is also a very nice method of generating a revenue. Now, coming to the sixth method. So, guys, the sixth method through which a software developers can earn money is by creating your own website or a blog. So, guys, if you have knowledge of programming languages or how to develop website or how to develop Android apps, iOS apps, and all, so you can write blog post and share it to the people, lots of people. Okay, and if you are able to attract the traffics, then after that you can earn a lot of money from this source. So, guys, this is also a very good method of earning money as a software developer. Now coming to the seventh method. So, guys, the seventh method through which a software developers can earn money is by building your own Android apps or iOS apps and publishing it on Play Store. So, guys, if you have a knowledge of building Android apps or iOS apps, then you can build your own Android apps or iOS apps and publish it on Play Store. So, guys, this is a very good method of generating revenue as a software developer. So, guys, that's all for this video. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then please post it in the comment section and click on the like button and subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed yet. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.